Hello student. Today we are going to continue our previous chapter, Life in the Temperate Grassland from Geography. We have already discussed about the temperate grassland of North America. And today we will discuss about the temperate grassland of South Africa. And the South Africa is that this temperate grassland is called Wales. And one thing I want to share that you must watch this video carefully, and today I will send the question answer. You must write in your fair copy. Okay, so let us start our chapter. Okay, temperate grassland of South Africa. First of all, location. Your first topic is location. South Africa in the Wales. This temperate grassland found in the Wales. Wales derived from Dutch. It means field. These regions were named Wales by the Dutch settlers. The temperate grassland of Africa, where is situated? That the Tropic of Cancer and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. Look at here that the high Wales, okay, then the South Africa, and these region is that the green region at the grassland of the South Africa. It is called Wales. The Drakensberg mountain and the Kalahari desert here, and it lies on the eastern and western side of the Wales respectively. Johannesburg, Petrotias, Kimberley, etc. are the important cities of the Wales. You can find out all these cities on that map. Okay. Next topic is your that topography. Topography, we have already discussed about that. What is the meaning of the topography? That the different types of landform. Okay. The Wales are a kind of rolling plateau. Plateau, all of you know that the plateau, that a flat area. Their height varies from 600 meter to 1100 meter. On the basis of varying height, the Wales are divided into three parts. Which part? First part is that the grass field, second part middle belts, and the third part high belts. Okay. And your next topic is climate. Climate is that the winters are cold and dry, while summer and wet and cool. Temperature vary. It means temperature differentiate, that the 5 degrees centigrade to up to the 20 degrees centigrade. Both in winters and summer. It means both season that the temperatures varies. The amount of rainfall received by the world is controlled by the warm ocean currents. The world receive summer rainfall. Summer rainfall which month? That the November to February, and winter from June to August. Drainage system. Drainage system means which river has flow on that area. That the Limpopo and Orange. Soil. Which type of soils are here? Soil. This type of soil is support the cultivation of fodder grasses for the animals. Okay. Next topic is your which type of natural vegetation and wildlife. Main vegetation of the belts are grasses and reed grasses of high belts that grow in the area. Okay, the belts have also fire and drought residence tall grasses. Which type of animal found here? That the lions, leopard, cheetahs, and kudu are main animals of the belts. Next topic is our agriculture and other activities. Which type of plant grow here? Potatoes, wheat, barley, oats, maize are cultivated in that region of South Africa. But most important cultivation is that the maize, and that's why belts are also known as the maize triangle. Tobacco, sugarcane, and cotton, these are the cash crop of this area. Along with agriculture, if there is a grasses, then most important activities are the cattle rearing, cattle rearing, as well as mining. People are engaged in the cattle rearing for milk and milk product which that butter, cheese, etc. And merino wools of the whales is the world famous as it is cut with a trimmer, and main occupation of the another people is the dairy farming. Your next topic is human population. Okay, which type of population is here? First of all, populations settlements are parts of middle belts because of the soil moisture for agriculture, and the eastern slopes of belts are also occupied by the people. They grow fruits orchards in this region. In Petrorias, there are minings and the industrial settlement. And if there is the mining and industrial, that their population settlement and the special industry settled like iron and steel industry, railways, and the medicine. Your next topic is minerals. Which type of minerals? For example, that the coal, iron, golds, diamonds, etc. Kimberley is the famous for diamond mining, while Johannesburg is famous for gold mining. And Johannesburg is also known the gold capital of the world. Most of the mineral whales was previously exported to only England as a raw material. But gradually the region became a British colony. But now it is free from the British control and it has many food processing center and well developed industries. The minerals rich area of the belts have well tourist transport system. If there is industries that there is mining, then transportation system also developed. And today your this chapter is finished and I will send you question answer and you must write in your fair copy of the geography. Okay.